Okay, this auction is for the standard exhaust, I believe, off a 2009 Yamaha XVS 1300A Midnight Star. I don't know what other years it might fit. There's a scratch there which runs to there. I don't know whether that would polish out. You have to sort of be down at this weird angle to get it. I'll see if I can get a photo of it. Anyway, there's a scratch from there to there. You can see a little bit of marking there, but that's the exhaust. See, I can't even see that scratch from this angle. There it is. So I'll try and get a photo. Little dots of pitting, obviously a bit of road rash, but very minor. Little dot there, there. I mean, it really is tiny. With a fitting bracket. I don't know what this is all about. I don't know whether it got repaired, and I don't know whether this black stuff will come off. It doesn't feel like it. Feels like the chrome's gone in that area. So I'm assuming it was repaired. Whether they've opened it up to get the baffles out or to repair something in there, but yeah, it's there again. A bit of scuff in there. A bit of scuffing across the top. I think that would be the view you get when it's on the bike. I'll just show you. So it'd be sort of like that on the bike. So you can just about see that black there where it's been welded. But mainly you'll see this edge. As I say, not perfect. There are scratches on it which might buff out. I don't know. It's old, it's standard, and it's quite clean. In with the sale, I'll include rear foot peg hangers and some rear foot pegs. I put running boards on mine, so I didn't need these bits. So there you go. foot peg hangers, foot pegs, and more crucially a standard exhaust. So there you go, happy bidding. One standard exhaust for an XVS 1300A Midnight Star, and included is rear foot pegs and hangers. Happy bidding.